सा हवा में बहस कर रहे हैं ये।
Your Lordship,
हमारी स्क्रीनिंग हो गई, सब हो गई, 25 साल से हम
Your
काम
Lordship,
कर रहे हैं।
इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वेरीफाई ईच केस। आपने 59 फाइल कर दिया, अब आप दीजिए 59।
Your Lordship, that is the thing. None of the employees are able to produce any appointment letter.
I will not believe already दे चुके हैं। आप रिसिप्ट दिखा दीजिए कब दिया है।
मतलब how this application can be said to be
Petitioners must
qualified
also
able.
show their bona fides by presenting the appointment letter.
25 साल से आप काम दे रहे, अभी तक आपने अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर नहीं माना। आप बोल रहे 25, आप बोल रहे हैं अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर देंगे तो सैलरी नहीं देंगे।
ये सैलरी देनी है आप।
सैलरी नहीं दे रहे हैं। उसके बाद स्टेट गवर्नमेंट मेड एन एप्लीकेशन फॉर रिकॉल ऑफ दैट ऑर्डर। दैट एप्लीकेशन हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डिसमिस्ड। That application was dismissed under Lordship would see order sheet dated 16/12/2025.
Yes.
Now, Lord, the Panchayat has filed such an application, Malaf. After dismissal of the same application, the Panchayat has filed an application. So only we are required to be paid salary at an earlier rate. Well, since we are still continuing in job, since the taking over of the school by the state government and placing us under the supervision and control of the Janpat Panchayat, Lord, we are entitled for salary.
Your Lordship, I have moved an application for modification of the interim order since after passing and even before passing, we had called for the appointment orders by petitioners as well as the employees. I have also uploaded the document. Reference 56 employees were called to give their appointment orders, the original appointment orders, after subvention in the local body. They are not able to present those appointment orders, and I have also at page number.
अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर्स तो दीजिए, आप कंप्लाई करिए, आपको सैलरी।
So 2002 से हम इनके यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं।
Your Lordship,
22 साल बाद हमसे जो है,
permitted to
22
speak,
साल
Your
बाद
Lordship.
हमसे अपॉइंट क्या हुआ? We were
Your Lordship, page number 5 of my
Yes.
pleading may be
These
seen
were
as
the non-government
presenting a chart
institutions.
of
But
all
these were
fake
the-
letters that are being used by the petitioners, Your Lordship. The investigation is underway. There is a petition that is not listed today.
प्रॉब्लम इज समटाइम्स पिटिशनर डू नॉट कम विद क्लीन हैंड। दैट इज
नहीं,
द
ऐसा
प्रॉब्लम।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं।
अरे बहुत केसेस में होता है, आई एम सीइंग इट।
होता है सर, complaint it happens.
डे बेसिस फर्जी लेटर लगा देते हैं साहब।
सर 2002 से
Appointment orders before
2000
the Honorable Court, Your Lordship.
जस्ट नहीं सर, एक मिनट सर थोड़ा सा सुन लिया।
Yes.
सर क्या है, इफ लॉर्डशिप वुड सी एनेक्सर P3 2002 में गवर्नमेंट ने एक गाइडलाइंस इशू किया और नंबर ऑफ नॉन गवर्नमेंट
In one case recently, a forged letter has been passed. On relying on that forged letter, High Court passed an order. Later on, state filed review was done, and direction was given to CJM to examine that letter was found to be forged. That order was recalled, but he is enjoying the benefit since he has.
Your Lordship, in
State
this
government has not taken any action. Many cases come to light like this.
16 crores of recovery orders have been issued. That is also
And
state.
once some benefit is granted to you, state cannot recover also.
नहीं सर, क्या है इसमें, आप देखिए इसमें क्या हुआ। जस्ट मैडम,
So file your appointment letter.
सर
they
थोड़ा
will
सा सुन
verify
लीजिए,
and make-
थोड़ा सा मैं बता दूं।
Yes.
सर these were the non-government institutions initially.
Yes.
2002 में 2002 the government took over all these private institutions, Lord, and they were placed under the supervision and control of the local bodies since 2002. The school, the petitioner is the school in which the petitioner is working, that was also taken over in 2002, and we were placed under the Janpat
आपको
Panchayat.
appointment letter देने में
अब सर
दिक्कत
दो
क्या है?
नहीं दे चुके हैं सर।
ये सर
तो एक बार और दे
Then we
दीजिए।
produce it before the court on affidavit, Your Lordship. The
सर
whole
ये
process.
तनख्वाह नहीं देना चाहते, सार ये सवाल ही तनख्वाह नहीं दे रहे।
Your Lordship,
इस-
it's for-
पहले स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फाइल करेगी एप्लीकेशन फॉर रिकॉल, फिर वो खारिज हो जाएगी, फिर पंचायत
Your
फाइल
Lordship,
करेगी।
If I may,
They have
speak,
to-
I filed an
they have
application
to
with
get-
bringing all the documents on record. There is one more writ petition 47032. It was against the recovery orders and action for FIR. They have got that also stayed. It was supposed to be listed today. It is not listed. We are party in that also. And the two other matters that are listed today, we are the necessary party because CEO Zilla Panchayat Niwadi is the officiating of the local body. We are not impleted party in that. They may be directed to implead the party and we can vote also.
कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं रिस्पोंडेंट मराठ जिला पंचायत बना हुआ है।
That is in 5459. In the connected two petitions, we are not made parties. We are the necessary
I'm
party.
appear-
It may be seen the case.
एक साल हो गया आपको तनख्वाह नहीं मिल रही सर,
अब उसके बाद
एक साल से तनख्वाह नहीं दे रहा।
Your Lordship, after
ये तो बिगाड़ में से इस साइड में आप
Yes, you are still working.
स्टिल वर्किंग
हम काम कर रहे हैं सर, एक साल से तनख्वाह नहीं दे रहे।
Your Lordship,
अब
when
25
the
का order है।
matters came to light, when the recovery orders were made, then only they came.
Just 1 minute. मैडम, जब आप इनसे काम ले रहे हैं तो इनको करंट जो वर्किंग है उसका तो आप पैसा दीजिए।
Your Lordship, for that, up till June 25, the payments
pay
are
area.
already made. After that, the budget was allocated, but it was not transferred to CEO Niwari.
आप एरियस मत दीजिए जब तक आप वेरीफाई नहीं करते, पर जो करंट काम कर रहे हैं उसकी सैलरी तो दीजिए।
Your Lordship, we are under the process of verifying their appointment orders. They are not providing the appointment orders. That is why
तो
the
आप
interim
काम तो ले
arrangement.
रहे हैं, इनसे काम तो ले रहे हैं ना।
Your Lordship, because
2002 से ले रहे हैं।
Your Lordship, no, these are misleading facts. The school which they are saying it was a private school. After the policy of 2002, with due verifications, firstly, the land had to come under the state government. Now, I have also annexed the policy has checks. The land we have also annexed in my IA. The land is also an encroached land, Your Lordship. All
आप
these.
कब देंगे डॉक्यूमेंट? विद इन 1 वीक यू विल गेट योर सैलरी।
अब इसी वक्त सर
सब
They may
देखिए,
not have
अब ये बोल रहे हैं लैंड वेरिफिकेशन, हमसे क्या लेना देना लैंड वेरिफिकेशन से?
school that is made the private school.
2002 से आप स्कूल हमसे टेक ओवर कर लिया है।
Scam that has come forward, Your
It
Lordship.
is under the supervision and control of the जिला पंचायत.
Your Lordship, IA 10, annex to IA 10 may be
Type
seen.
of submissions are being made.
सर ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट मांग रहे हैं अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर पेज नंबर 44 पे देखिए सर। कलेक्टर की अध्यक्षता की कमेटी ने डॉक्यूमेंट पूरा एक्सपर्ट निकाल लिए। हाई कोर्ट का आदेश को कलेक्टर
सिर्फ तनख्वाह ना देना पड़े इसलिए ये सब दुनिया भर की बात। मतलब हाउ दीस पर्सन वुड सस्टेन मिलॉट।
पेज नंबर
एक महीना तनख्वाह नहीं मिलेगी तो कैसे होगा? इनको तो 1 साल से तनख्वाह नहीं दे रहे।
सर पेज नंबर 44 देख ले पिटीशन
Of which petition?
ये कहते हैं कि सर डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं
यस, वेरीफाई दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्स वन बाय वन।
Your
ये
Lordship,
जिसमें दे दिए उनको नेक्स्ट वीक आप क्लियर करिए, हम रख देते हैं।
I'm not able to.
Chalo.
Which page number of which petition?
67 बताइए पहले आप।
5459 में लास्ट लेक्चर P7 देख रहे हैं स्कैनिंग कमेटी की रिपोर्ट।
हाँ 5459
हाँ yes 9 पेज नंबर 44 काइंडली रिसीव आप।
P9 यस।
ये देखिए इसमें कलेक्टर अध्यक्ष हैं, मुख्य कार्यपालन अधिकारी सदस्य हैं, जिला शिक्षा अधिकारी सदस्य हैं, आरडी वर्मा प्रचार सदस्य हैं, श्री एससी वर्मा प्रचार सदस्य हैं, एनसी तिवारी प्रचार सदस्य हैं। और इन्हीं ने सर लड़का आप ये देखें पूरे
आपने कब जमा?
Your Lordship, the latest letter of collector.
1 मिनट, कहाँ है आपका अपॉइंटमेंट?
ये सर ये वो जो सर इसमें ये सर पेज नंबर 50 पे देखें सर पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट को वेरीफाई करने के बाद कलेक्टर की अध्यक्षता की कमेटी ने 5 रफात्र मांगे हैं सर। ये पूरा पेज नंबर 50 में पूरे स्टाफ का नाम सर ये दिया और इसकी क्या डिग्री
स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी की रिपोर्ट है सर।
कलेक्टर
Your Lordship, then.
Yes, if collector has verified it, why you?
Your Lordship, there is a background to this also. They made an application for Samvilian 5 times. 4 collectors before this collector had rejected it. There is a point-wise discussion. You may see
अभी संविलियन के इशू नहीं है, संविलियन तो बाद में देखा
Your
जाएगा।
Lordship,
अभी तो आप
scam-
तनख्वाह तो दे।
The scam is that it is supposed to be a local body school. They started drawing salary from the state government on the basis of the salary that was given to state government employees.
कोर्ट ने बोला
Scam.
पहले के हिसाब से दे दो,
वो तो
हो गया।
Your Lordship,
पुराने स्केल से दे दो।
Your
ये
Lordship.
15, 10, 25 के ऑर्डर में लिखा हुआ है।
the interim order may be seen. The interim order says that they may be given as per.
आपने स्कूल को ओवरटेक किया है ना, आपने इनके रिकॉर्ड्स भी सब ले लिए होंगे।
Your Lordship, that is the problem. The timeline is in 2018, Niwari was the new district that was formed. Initially, it came under Tikamgarh.
आपके
The
पास रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं है क्या?
the appointment orders are not to be found, and in fact, the debtors which they are relying, I
Not
have
to
made
be
it-
found and they are not found are different.
they are not found anywhere.
आपने
We don't
ढूंढा है,
have it on
आपको
record.
आपको नहीं मिले हैं क्या?
No, Your Lordship, there is no appointment orders from the side of the state.
कुछ भी बोल रहा है सर, हवा में बहस कर रहे हैं ये।
Your Lordship,
हमारी स्क्रीनिंग हो गई, सब हो गई। 25 साल से हम
Your
काम
Lordship,
कर
I
रहे
have
हैं।
written it on affidavit.
25 साल से हम काम कर रहे हैं।
Denying they are fake letters. They may be
25 years से।
not fake letters. The committee is saying, the collector
Where
is
is
saying.
your affidavit?
The application for appropriate direction may be seen in page number 5. We have made a chart of the letters that they are relying in the petitions. They are all fake letters. They are not issued by the government itself.
एप्लीकेशन बताइए कहाँ है?
Your Lordship, my IA number
कॉल
is.
कर लिया।
आइए नंबर, this is 3436.
Yes, Your Lordship. Page number 5.
Yes.
The chart may be seen. These are the fake letters that they are relying.
सर मेमोरी ऑर्डर में सब जैसे जो स्टे ऑर्डर है
I may be permitted to submit your.
ये किसके फेक लेटर्स हैं, ये कैसे पता चलेगा?
Your Lordship, when the com sheet is annexed at IA4, Your Lordship, from these were sent for verification from the state government whether they have been issued by the state or not. The state government has reverted that they have not been issued by the state.
ये सर जो 15,
आइए,
25 का ऑर्डर है, she is not aware of anything, my lord. मतलब kindly see
Your
order
Lordship, I
sheet,
brought
kindly
all
see,
documents on record. It's
kindly
on
see
affidavit.
order sheet dated 15, 10, 25 जो डिस्प्यूटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स है उसका बेनिफिट कोर्ट ने बोला उसका नहीं देना है। उसके पहले के जो हमका पे स्केल था वो आप दे दीजिए, कम्युनिटी का आप मत दीजिए।
We are
ये
again-
दिस इज व्हाट द कोर्ट सेज।
Appointment orders, they may be permitted to produce those orders before the court. We will verify those appointment orders and we will give full.
That means if we are not able to produce, we will not get the salary.
Why don't the employees?
25 साल से हम वहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, 25 साल से काम करके स्क्रीनिंग कमिटी, कितनी बार हमारी स्क्रीनिंग होगी?
The recovery orders have been made because they have been given unjust benefits. 47032 may be seen, Your Lordship. It was supposed to be listed today. It is not listed. It may be linked. We are party in that also. And there are instructions from the Directorate of Public Instructions. I have uploaded, Your Lordship, I have uploaded reference in this. Reference number 2. There is a letter from Directorate of Instructions, Public Instructions. Again, action for FIR and other civil consequences have been
Please
issued.
share appointment letter before this court. आप दे दीजिए अपने अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर.
दे दिए सर.
It may be
यही-
brought, Your Lordship.
यहीं पे दे दिए, फिर से दे दिए सर. कितनी जितनी बार बोलो उतनी बार दे देते हैं और दे देते हैं हम.
So give it today.
हाँ, टुडे
Along with
आज
affidavit,
दे
it may
दीजिए,
be
आपके पास
submitted.
कॉपियां पड़ी होंगी ना, आपने पहले दिए दे
दे दो इनको, अभी दे दो ना.
Hand it over to the council, you verify it and pay them salary.
Your Lordship, I am humbly praying.
Sir,
It may be
25
produced
साल
on
से हम-
because in one petition there are 59 petitioners, Your Lordship.
I am talking about 5459. I am not concerned with this.
Your Lordship, all these issues are connected.
ये आप एक एक करके करते जाइए. ये 59 किसने फाइल करे हैं?
And Your Lordship, in the connect,
क्यों
नहीं,
करे
एक ही
हैं?
इसमें एक ही पिटीशन.
these are the employees.
अरे
And
it is very difficult to verify each case. आपने 59 फाइल कर दिया, अब आप दीजिए 59.
Your Lordship, that is the
appointment
thing. None of the employees are able to produce any appointment
letter.
letter.
I will not believe already दे चुके हैं. आप रिसिप्ट दिखा दीजिए कब दिया है.
सर उसमें पावती
उसमें नहीं, आप यहाँ दिखा दीजिए कब दिया है आप.
ये सर 29/10
Otherwise I will dismiss the petition. ये 59, 60, 70 वाली I will all dismiss.
नहीं सर
There-
29/10
आप ये सारे 59 अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर फाइल कर दीजिए within 1 week. Otherwise I will dismiss.
That's वो बिल्कुल मैं
Council appearing for petitioner is
Because-
directed to file appointment letter so that their salary can be paid.
Not my
immediately
submission is,
within
not
7
not
days.
kindly see my
Just
situation.
after 7 days.
Not my submission
Yes,
is,
Your Lordship.
not kindly here, bear with me for a moment.
आप फाइल कर दीजिए.
Then
What
sir,
is the
हमारा
problem?
submission थोड़ा सा सुन लीजिए साहब.
Yes.
थोड़ा सा with some patience, not kindly hear me.
No, we cannot.
Not
stop
my
state
submission is
government
not,
from-
my submission is not, kindly
Yes.
bear with me for a moment.
Yes,
Not, we are working with the institution, my lord,
Yes.
for more than 25 years. Kindly see. My lord, the screening committee report is there, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, the High Court, after examining all the orders and the disputed documents, उसका कोर्ट ने कहा बेनिफिट अभी आपको सस्पेंडेड रहेगा. स्पेसिफिकली लिखा हुआ है and we are required to be paid at the old rate. My lord, kindly see.
yes.
Then the state government makes an application for recall of that order. Now that application has been dismissed, my lord. The entire fund has to come from the state government, my lord, not the Jilla Panchayat. The funding is from the state government. Now, my lord, the Jilla Panchayat comes up with an application for recall of that order. Now kindly see that recall,
Modification.
just my lord, modification में वही recall ही मांग रहे हैं. तो my lord, kindly see. This
They
is not
saying
bona fide,
that
my lord. But this
Produce their appointment letters, they will clear all
सर
your
आप ये नहीं थोड़ा सा इनकी बोनाफाइड्स देख. सर आज ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है, मतलब काइंडली सी दैट बोनाफाइड्स. काइंडली सपोज किसी के पास आज नहीं है.
So
For-
then don't linger on the case. अगर आप दे सकते हैं तो दे दीजिए. They will consider.
This is there's a malafide approach. ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड में है, स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी की रिपोर्ट है. 25 साल से हम काम कर रहे हैं. 25 साल बाद हमारे अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर अगर मांगोगे और नहीं देंगे तो हमारी सैलरी खत्म हो जाएगी.
Your Lordship, they-
What kind of approach after 25
They
years?
already got
We are on the
60.
verge of our retirement, my lord. We are on the verge of our retirement. The state government took away the school and placed them under the Jilla Panchayat. What they have been doing, we are getting salary for the last 25
Your
years.
Lordship, after retirement
And the
also
High
these
Court has
has been
taken,
initiated.
they adjust amounts to modification of an order dated 15/10/25. 15/10 उसके पहले जितने लोगों को सैलरी मिल रही थी, कोर्ट ने जो डिस्प्यूटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स की बेसिस पे जो कम्युनिटी वगैरह मिली, वो विड्रॉ कर ली, उसको सस्पेंडेड है. पहले की रेट से तो हमको सैलरी तो
They had
देंगे.
already filed an application for modification of that order.
वो खारिज हो चुकी पहले एप्लीकेशन, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने
That was
फाइल
for
किया था.
electing stay. This is a modification. We are just praying that we are not able to find any appointment orders. We have called 50
वैकेट
employees.
करने के लिए लगाए इन्होंने. मतलब kindly
Your
see their
Lordship,
application.
reference may be seen. We have called every 59 employee. No one has produced any appointment order. In the reference also, and even in my eye,
मतलब can they be asked to but after 25 years can they
sir,
compel the
just because
parties
some
to
wrong was committed
register
25 years
to-
ago, it
to-
cannot
to
continue.
produce the appointment. एक साल से आप सैलरी नहीं दे रहे किसी को.
When the state started correcting the wrongdoing,
Still they are
then
working,
started
my lord. All
filing
of them are working.
petitions.
चल रहा है
मतलब how this application can be
Peter bona fides by presenting the appointment
25
letters.
साल
Your
से
Lordship.
आप काम ले रहे, अभी तक आपने अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर
You
नहीं माना.
want
अब आप बोल रहे 25, आप बोल रहे अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर नहीं तो सैलरी नहीं देंगे.
You want to file reply to this application? आप इस application की reply file करना चाहते हैं और should I consider this application?
कर देंगे सब फाइल. This lacks bona fides. Just to not to pay, just to delay the payment. जहां भी गवर्नमेंट का मामला पेमेंट का आता है, मतलब all these hindrances we have to face. पहले state government लगाएगा, फिर जिला पंचायत लगाएगी, मतलब
No,
और
daily we are
मतलब we'll
passing
file
laws to
applications.
make payment.
We'll file. We have no option but to file and reply. And ultimately we'll not get the salary. That is the issue. But they are starving. If the low paid employees, the teachers, they are still working. They are कहीं दूसरी जगह भी नहीं जा सकते.
Your lordship,
आज they are in the position of they
your
are the
lordship,
verge of
आइए one
starvation.
scene for one
कल
second,
हमारे
your
पास ये
lordship.
टीचर्स आए थे, they are on the verge of
Your
starvation with the
lordship,
families.
आइए
उनकी
one
फ्लाइट अगर आप
scene
देखेंगे
before
साहब, it is
passing-
very
Yes,
very
respondent, आप जब काम ले रहे हैं तो current salary तो
Your
दीजिए।
lordship, the issue,
Don't clear arrears, but at least
your
pay
lordship,
current
even
salary.
before passing of the interim order, we had made communications for giving the appointment orders. Our bona fides are from there itself. They are not providing us the appointment orders. That is why the salaries have been stopped.
We only want that they should survive.
Your lordship,
We are not interested at present whether their appointment is legal or illegal.
your
आप
lordship,
उनको salary नहीं देंगे तो खाना कहाँ से खाएंगे वो?
your lordship, after these petitions were filed, till June
आप
25,
किसको
the salaries
represent
were
कर रहे हैं?
given.
आप किसको
So
represent कर रहे हैं?
respondent number 8.
जिला पंचायत.
Respondent number 8 is directed to remain personally present before this court on Monday.
Your lordship,
And meanwhile, you produce all your
Yes,
appointment
we'll
letters.
they may
Until-
file it before this court, your lordship.
No, you don't want to pay salary, he will
Your
be there
lordship,
present.
I have
अभी जो
next a
काम
whole
कर रहा है
chart of
उसका तो
fake letters,
देखिए
your
आप.
lordship.
You cannot, you are taking work from them, you have to pay them salary.
Your lordship,
Current
it was a
work-
private school which got merged. It was supposed to be merged as a local body, but they got fake letters to be merged as a state government school, your lordship. These are all the irregularities. That is why the issue is going on as to which department has to pay.
तो आप close
Initially,
कर दीजिए ना स्कूल. कौन बोल रहा है कि आपको स्कूल चलाइए जबरदस्ती? मत करिए एब्जॉर्प्शन, मना कर दीजिए हम नहीं चलाएंगे, सब फर्जीवाड़ा है ये.
your lordship,
Ma-
all the investigations are going on. There are actions for FIR against the petitioners also, your lordship.
Respondent number 8 shall remain present before this court on Monday. Meanwhile, petitioners are directed to file their appointment letters
देंगे.
before this court along with affidavit.
Yes.
Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.